Let's continue to support all our programs and projects, and sana let's have fun and let's enjoy the month-long celebration of our 2025 Duru Festival. Again, congratulations! Alhataw Baknotan!
Tayo na at sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na at sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na at sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw. Tayo na at sumayaw, uminda at gumalaw.
Kumahapon ta diyan piyesta mi tang tangal daw. Bendisyon ng dati alay mi apo. Una ye ye una ye una ye ye una una ye ye una ye una ye una.
But Peter the Apostle said in reply, we must obey God rather than men. The God of our ancestors raised Jesus, the Lord, the United King
Ito ang panagbiyan na nakuha ko ng isang pangalaman.
In the Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Congratulations to all the parents po, no? And of course, to the kids. For the formal being, pinangang tayo sa tan. Thank you and congratulations sa pagpapabigyan ninyo.
Ika'y kukutangi at nag-iisa. Kandang taglay mo ay hinahangaan, minamahal naming kamot siya ng baknotan.